Is your car burning oil? This means oil is leaking internally into the combustion chamber and being burned along with fuel. Watch out for blue exhaust smoke and decreasing fuel efficiency. This is different from external oil leaks. Oil burning occurs when engine oil leaks into the combustion chamber and gets burned instead of lubricating. This creates several problems for your vehicle. During the combustion stroke, oil can seep past worn components like piston rings and burn in the cylinder, as shown in this diagram. First, burning oil reduces fuel efficiency by 5 to 10%, wasting energy that should power your vehicle. Second, it causes increased engine wear as oil loses its lubricating properties. Third, it can lead to potential engine damage if the issue persists. If left unchecked, these problems result in costly repairs. Electric vehicles don't have this issue since they have no engine oil, but hybrid vehicles can still experience oil burning in their internal combustion engine components. Worn piston rings are a primary culprit in oil burning. These rings create a seal between the piston and cylinder wall to prevent oil from leaking into the combustion chamber. When the rings wear down from age, heat, or poor maintenance, oil can seep past them and get burned during combustion. The fix typically requires an engine rebuild or ring replacement, costing between $2,000 and $4,000 depending on the vehicle. To prevent this wear, use regular oil changes with high-viscosity oils that maintain proper lubrication under extreme conditions. Regular maintenance and using the right oils can extend the life of piston rings and prevent costly repairs. Faulty valve stem seals are a leading cause of internal oil leaks. These seals sit at the top of the valve stems and prevent engine oil from entering the combustion chamber through the valves. When valve stem seals fail, symptoms include blue exhaust smoke, oil consumption, and fouled spark plugs. The close-up shows a valve stem with a seal, highlighting these issues. These seals degrade over time due to extreme engine heat and mechanical wear from repeated valve operation. Older engines are particularly susceptible. There are various types of valve stem seals, including umbrella seals, positive ring seals, and O-ring designs, each designed to fit different engine configurations. The fix involves replacing the seals during a valve job, which typically costs between $800 and $1,500, depending on the engine. To prevent premature failure, use synthetic oils which reduce wear and extend seal life. Regular maintenance helps identify issues early. Damaged cylinder walls are the third major cause of internal oil leaks in cars. Scratches or wear on these walls, often from poor maintenance, create gaps that lead to blow-by. This allows engine oil to enter the combustion chamber where it burns, reducing oil levels and causing smoke. The blow-by effect occurs when combustion gases leak past the piston rings into the crankcase, but damaged walls worsen this by allowing oil migration. This is visible in engine cutaways showing worn cylinder surfaces. To fix damaged cylinder walls, mechanics perform bore honing to smooth the surface or install cylinder sleeves. This is typically part of a full engine overhaul costing between $3,000 and $6,000. Prevention focuses on avoiding short trips that cause condensation buildup in the cylinders. Regular maintenance with proper oil changes helps prevent this wear from developing in the first place. A malfunctioning PCV system is another common cause of oil burning. The positive crankcase ventilation valve regulates pressure in the engine's crankcase, recycling blow-by gases back into the intake manifold. When the PCV valve becomes clogged or faulty, it can't properly vent the crankcase pressure. This pressure buildup forces oil vapor past piston rings and valve seals into the combustion chamber, where it burns with the fuel. The fix is straightforward. Replace the PCV valve and any associated hoses. This typically costs between $100 and $300 and can usually be done by a mechanic in under an hour. To prevent PCV system clogs, change your air filter regularly. Dirty filters can restrict airflow and contribute to PCV valve failure. Regular maintenance checks can catch PCV issues early before they lead to excessive oil consumption and potential engine damage. Prevention starts with regular maintenance. Check your oil level monthly using the dipstick, ensuring it stays between the minimum and maximum marks to prevent excessive consumption. Perform timely maintenance, including regular oil changes using synthetic oils to reduce wear. Address issues like worn piston rings or faulty seals before they worsen. As electric vehicles become more common, oil burning issues will decrease significantly. EVs have no oil systems, eliminating leaks entirely. Internal combustion engines are expected to phase out by 2040-2050. Predictive maintenance tools using AI monitor engine conditions, forecasting potential leaks before they cause damage. Improved engine designs with better seals are also helping combat oil burning. If you notice blue exhaust smoke or consistently low oil levels, consult a mechanic immediately for proper diagnosis and repair to prevent engine damage.